Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove hidden apps on Android. If you're using Android phone and now you want to remove your hidden apps, so let's see how can you do this. You can easily remove your hidden apps by opening settings, and here you just have to look for app hiding settings. But if you won't get it here, just tap on search. There's search for app hiding, and then just tap on it. Here you have to verify yourself. Just enter your password and fingerprint, and here just tap on app hiding. Here you will get all of your hidden apps. You have to disable the settings for all apps which you want to unhide. But if you're using third-party apps, you can easily unhide the apps by using the same method, and after that your all hidden apps will appear on your home screen. So that's how you can easily remove hidden apps on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.